This right here is what we've been waiting on for I don't know how long. Elk backstrap. We hungry. We got a little seasoning called musket powder. The all-time best recipe for elk backstrap with this musket powder.
See if we can't carve some of this nastiness off of this. We've never tried elk. This is gonna be the first for us. Can't wait to try it.
Skinning this thing on the darn mountain, we got a little hair.
Yeah, got hair, grass, dirt, and all on it, so that's what we're working on now. We do need something to put this in.
We just got here. It is breaking daylight. You can see forever out here. It was beautiful. We're about to walk off the side of this hill and see if we can find an elk.
We packed in a mile.
Straight down here.
Yeah, it was straight down here.
Down a mountain.
Down a mountain.
Rocks.
Had a spotter on top and
watching the elk.
And a guide with us, and of course a cameraman.
We was racing the other hunters to get to this elk.
Yeah,
because it's
that's right.
land and you know that's.
Yeah, there was 2 or 3 more boys that's parked up there trying to kill Hannah's elk. We can't have that, so we was running. They had me tote a 50-pound camera. Yeah.
We just came over the top of the hill over here and saw a few bulls. They were small. We got on over and looked down across the bottom and there's a monster down there. I ain't never in my life seen a boat that stiff. And I can work the boat gun pretty good.
Got him, girl. You just smoked him.
Did he fall?
We got him, boys.
Yeah.
Hannah, right here.
Oh. God almighty. Thank you so
You
much.
drilled him 475.
Was that crazy?
Hannah, you are one
awesome?
bad girl, dude. That is so awesome.
You the man.
Was that awesome or what?
I'm just gonna lay right here for a second.
What about that? Dude, that was crazy, wasn't it?
You just shot a monster. Like, I don't even realize. I don't think you realize what you just did.
Well, I said, you can't see.
Hey, girl.
You just,
I was so worried coming down that hill, and I was like,
You're awesome.
them little legs of Hannah's are working. That's a mountain goat right there.
We running off like 3 minutes of sleep, especially Dad over there. He got 5 minutes, I think.
That's so awesome.
I will give you a hug. Thank you.
Oh, that was awesome.
what happened the first shot?
She drilled him.
Oh, she got him.
She's perfect. They're tough.
So
They are
good.
so tough,
I was
man.
about to say.
I mean, they're like crazy tough
I
animals.
had it like right on his shoulder.
That's a 200 grain for ELDX horn to the end. I mean it.
I never thought that my legs would get tired
Going.
going downhill.
Downhill.
But dude, they still like jelly.
475 yards.
475, baby.
Yeah.
475.
Like shooting fish in a barrel.
Then after we did shoot the elk, we had to walk what felt like another 27 miles
To
go
get
there
to it. Yeah, had to go around, yeah.
475-yard shot, but we had to go around this mountain, walk downhill some more, walk uphill a little bit, then back down, get to my elk.
Oh my God.
Are you serious?
God almighty.
Golly.
Look at it.
Look at the size.
Holy crap. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Good gracious. Hannah, you ain't dragging that thing out. God.
Ah,
You can start crying now. Cause I won't sit here and cry with you.
I killed an elk.
Maybe you killed.
A big old
You
joker.
killed one of a lifetime.
Ah,
Oh my goodness. That thing is huge. Look at them.
you're the best. God,
Look at his head, Goose.
they're so pretty.
Oh, he's huge.
We're just gonna sit here with him for a second.
That's like 1 in a million right there. You know what I mean?
And he's gnarly up there to see his tops on that side.
gnarly.
Nice, man.
You see them in Bass Pro and all that right there, but it don't.
Don't do them justice.
I mean, you walk up to them in Bass Pro, but man, let me tell you something. These things are huge. How much does he weigh, Chase?
Oh, 1,200 pounds.
We ain't dragging this joker out. You don't put this one on the side beside. What would he score?
Oh yeah, he's 370s
Is he?
all day long.
I mean, you can't even pick up his head. Look at that, from there to there.
It's definitely the bull of a lifetime. Beautiful joker in this whole experience, getting to run around on the side of this mountain. Have this big joker at the bottom of it. Thank God Brady brought the horses to pack this big joker out.
It took him 3 hours, about the same time it took for Summer to make the walk to us. Yeah, we watched her for 3 hours getting to us. Well, Kyle was taking a snooze on the side of the mountain. And we couldn't quarter it up until they got there because he wanted to take a picture with his spotter, Eric, which I don't blame him. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, you got me a bullet? Yeah, thank you.
Free charge, go ahead, keep that.
Appreciate you. This right here is what we've been waiting on for I don't know how long. Elk, backstrap. We hungry. We got a little seasoning called musket powder. Supposedly the all-time best recipe for elk backstrap with this musket powder.
This right here is gonna be some good eating. I've never tried elk. Most everything that we kill, we eat.
Other than coyotes.
Yeah, we don't do coyotes and bobcats and stuff like that.
We don't really never buy much meat from the grocery store unless it's chicken to barbecue or something. But we ain't never tried elk either. And now we got plenty, filling up all the freezers. Knowing our hungry tails, this probably won't last too long in the refrigerator. Oh, that horse was like, what is going on here? Hi, horsey.
The ones that get the front shoulders will have the neck meat and the back straps.
Just kind of just even the weight out.
We don't want a lopsided horse.
Packed it out on the horses.
Yeah, we put the meat on the horses and then we walked out.
And let me tell you, I don't know what we would have done
Without those horses.
without the horses. Eric said 200 yards. He said, I'm 200 yards from the truck.
He was full of it when he said 2.
Let me tell you, that was a long 200 yards, wasn't it, baby?
See my elk?
I see. Wait,
Natural born killer.
oh wait, was there another group of hunters? Oh man, I would have slashed their tires, busted their kneecaps.
Ward?
We're gonna grill that.
King of Spice, what are we doing?
We're gonna grill.
I need a breakdown of the recipe for the elk. Go.
Okay, no, it's nothing. I got nothing against frying. I'm not gonna go fry filet mignon. That's just not gonna happen. We're gonna treat that cut with respect, man.
Lots of musket powder.
Lots of musket powder. Yeah,
Yeah, I won't eat it now.
letting it hang. Letting it hang. I got bad news for you, cowboy. We're letting it hang. It's your first taste of elk. Everything's gotta be perfect. We can't mess it up.
Yeah. What you think, kid? We ought to just split this in half right here?
Making poppers.
Yeah, we're gonna make poppers. Let's see if we just...
Cut it into little chunks.
Y'all look like y'all need a little help.
Ward!
What in the world? Dude!
Hey,
What are you doing, man?
I'm just making sure that y'all don't redneck ruin that fine meat by covering it with a can of chili and just throwing a Velveeta cheese or something.
Hey,
Man, what are you talking about, dude? We know what we do, and just because you ain't here to show us how, you had to leave early, you know. Some people's got to work, though, don't they?
What you got cooking? Good looking? What's going on in there?
He must be, he's looking at you, baby. He's talking to you, surely. Yeah, we're going to try some poppers. What you think?
Making some poppers? Oh, man.
Yeah, you think that'll be good?
That's gonna be good.
we ain't gonna redneck ruin it.
Yeah.
Little jalapeno,
Yeah,
little cheese.
little musket powder.
Woo! Hey, let me tell you a little trick about using that musket powder. You can't over-season it. So,
Okay.
You know, sometimes some of those Cajun seasonings, you put too much on there and it ruins it. You can't overdo it. So, that's why it says on the bottle, completely cover and then add a little more.
So it won't be too salty?
No, if you think you've added too much, just add a little bit more. It's the secret of using it. Just dip it in there like a nacho, man. Just get it all covered.
Okay, cool. Well, we fixing to do it, buddy. We're gonna call you in a little bit and see how it goes, what it tastes like. Wish you was here, man.
Awesome.
You gonna do the whole one first? You need to be cutting them peppers up. And then wrap it in bacon. Cream cheese. Look at that right there. Mm-hmm. What you think? What you think? You could do that one whole like that.
Whole?
Yeah, this one whole, and then I'll do you some smaller ones, you know, some poppers. Okay, we're gonna keep it small because we don't know how tough this stuff's gonna be. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cream cheese, make a little sandwich like, wrap it in bacon, toothpick, put it on the grill. If we had some shish kebab sticks, so we could just do them, you know, all. And that way they'd be easier to flip on the grill and everything. You just take the whole stick and flip the whole stick. What you think on this bacon? We ought to cut it about in half.
How much bacon we got?
Well, we got 4 packs, so
The more bacon, the better.
no doubt.
You know, if you was doing this and put the jalapenos on there, you'd load it up a lot more than I am, and then later complain about how hot it is.
Yeah,
So,
especially tomorrow morning, that's right.
wrap this bacon right here. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. I think you got that figured out, kid. Look at the size of these back straps, though, compared to
To
a deer, that little old South Alabama deer.
It's a little different, ain't it?
It is.
Maybe they would taste just as good.
I hope they do. But you know, the meat's a whole lot darker than, you know, pork that wild hogs we kill is sort of the back straps are going to be, almost a white meat, you know what?
Yeah, real like this.
This is dark, though. Look at that right there. I mean, that looks like beef. This is what we do. This is what we do. Get all this hair and dirt and grass and get it cleaned up good. I don't know, I think we ended up with 300 pounds.
It was over 300 pounds.
Yeah, that's right, because it bottomed the scale out on the thing. Hannah, what you think we ought to do with this one?
I
think we ought to
cut it up, but I know you want to make
Okay, some more poppers.
I like
Is that working like that, or I need to cut it different?
No, it's working perfect.
How big? I like that?
Yeah, that'd be good. Like this.
I'm sort of curious to see how they're going to go. Make sure you get the hair off her. I don't want to eat hair. Yeah, you got the roughest job right there, putting that cream cheese in there. Every time you try to wrap the bacon out, it squishes it out the side and makes a big mess.
And when you take a bite of it after it's done, it squishes up the side.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
You ain't making a mess, you ain't eating.
That's right. You gonna be doing
You
it?
said yesterday, if y'all don't like it, it's just my tail.
Damn, you making a mess, honey.
No, like when we was talking about the cream cheese making a mess.
Oh, he said put it on there until it was covered, and then put a little bit more.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. He got some big enough holes in this thing right here. It'll sure put it on. Maybe it'll stay on there. Look, there's 2 hairs. You just let me. I ain't got my glasses. I ain't got my glasses. We could have just poured this out of a quart jar. Then are you ready to see what that musket powder tastes like, or what?
I'm ready to see if it's as good as Ward has toned it up a bit.
It better be, because let me tell you something. I think he lives in Texas. If we sprinkle this stuff all over it and it ain't good,
We're gonna find him, man.
we're going to find him. We'll hunt him down.
It ought to be good.
It's a lot of good meat right here. I might get another one of them boards and help you cut some of these peppers while you... You know, I'll do one way and one other. I bet you could put some onions. I know Hannah loves onions, especially raw.
Don't nobody put onions on a jalapeno pie.
I bet it'd be good, though.
Yeah, but you eat onions raw like
I love them. I love some onions. But between the catfish, the wild hogs, the deer,
and now elk.
we never buy any meat.
Except for chicken.
Chicken, every now and then. Yeah, every now and then we'll...
This is the piece I like. Look at all that bacon.
Yeah. Yeah, got to keep that cholesterol up. That's right.
I love cream cheese. He likes jalapenos.
Yeah, until tomorrow morning. What you think? Just use the whole piece of bacon and wrap around it?
Whole piece of bacon.
Yeah,
Use the whole pack.
Yeah, I could just take the whole pack. It's not gonna cover a lot of area, but
That'll eat anything that used to have a heartbeat. No matter if it's coon, possum, armadillo.
yeah, we've eaten it all. You've eaten coon though.
I've eaten
You've
coon.
cleaned coons. I mean, you've cleaned them all the time. And I'm gonna need some help, baby. Look,
Okay, well, I changed my mind and decided this one needed more cream cheese.
there's another hair. See, I don't eat.
I ain't looked at the hair on this thing. This has been your little project, right?
Maybe that's, yeah, that is hair. Okay. How we gonna do this?
I ain't
It's like a
figured it out.
submarine sandwich. It's too short, ain't it?
You know, we're gonna need like 3 packs of toothpicks. Here, I got this.
Okay, hold on. This bacon's a little thin. I'd rather it be a little bit
Thicker.
thicker. This right here is gonna take a while. It's not very graceful, is it?
It don't matter.
As long as it leaves good. I need to stretch it. Stretch it. Look like a bull's butt, so look, oh, dang, right on. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot different than catfish.
Yeah,
And we're gonna have to put this on something. What about if we put it on that, and then when we flipped it, you know what I'm saying, we could put that over the top and then just flip the whole thing like that on the grill?
Put it with
Okay, well, you did a better job. I'm proud of you. See, that's why you've been doing this and I've been doing the rest of it.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's cook on that.
I'm gonna go out there and get the grill done. You keep on going. Cause you got this under control, kid. It's all you, baby. You gonna put it on that?
Ain't that pretty?
I think it's beautiful. Oh.
You want this one?
Yeah, I think you could actually go this way and put some more on it, but.
Hey, I will. I love bacon.
All right, go set it on fire. I'm fixing to go out there and put this on the grill. You tighten up on that and then.
Finish these up.
Yeah, finish them up. Put your fingers in there. Wait. That's not bad though, right there. Loin,
Grab
because
this piece. It's got all this bacon.
just don't eat the damn toothpick, people.
Almost just dead.
No. That shit will not be good tomorrow morning, I promise you. Because it ain't gonna come out straight like that. You know, it's gonna be like this.
Turned out pretty good.
Pretty good, it's good. Real good. It's just a little tough, but
She's being humble.
Yeah.
Very good. They did a really good
you done
job.
good, kid. You done good on these little ones. Cleaned it up, got all the hair and grass and bark and dirt and everything off of it. Cut it up in these into smaller pieces. Butterflied them, filled them jalapeno pepper, cream cheese, wrapped them in bacon, and musket powder.
Yeah, the musket.
Plenty of musket powder. These we just left these whole and did the whole loin at one time. That way these would be more rare than those. Turned out pretty good if we can keep everything beat off of them. I still think mine's better though, my loin, the whole thing.
Just don't stick the whole thing in your mouth, because I was having a heck of a time chewing it.
Turned out pretty good though, I think.
Yeah.
It's no possum. It's no possum, but it's good.
It'll work, that's right. Yeah, it'll work in the tight.
I've never eaten possum. Gotta be way better than possum, but I could hear them talking about that earlier.
I'll tell you what, possum's good though, it really is.
I ain't had it.
We need to do that one day. We need to cook a possum.
No.